Today is my birthday and we're flying to Thailand. We are going to drive to LAX, which is where we are flying out of for Thailand. It is so exciting. We made it to LAX and we are waiting to board our plane, and Benson's still awake, guys. It is almost midnight and he is still awake. We finally arrived and here's our room. I am floored at this hotel. It is so beautiful. So here's the bathroom here. You walk in and there is a really cool little sink here, and then look at this shower. Oh my gosh, it's like a slide. This shower is huge. It's so big. It's beautiful. And then in here you have the water closet. Out of the bathroom, you come in and here is our bed here. And then Benson, they set up his little pack and play for him to sleep in. And then they have this chill, like little lounging area here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wake up in the morning because over there is the ocean and you can hear the waves crash outside. And then out here is the patio where Tim and Benson are. And it's 12 a.m. here, so here's the look from outside. And I don't know if you guys can see, but where those lights are, that's water, and you can hear the waves. Good morning, guys. I am so refreshed. We only got about 5 hours of sleep, but that is so much better than we've been getting, and we got to sleep in a bed, so that was nice too. We just had breakfast and it was the most amazing breakfast. The resort that we're staying at is so beautiful. Literally every step I took, I just took my breath away. This is the most heavenly, most beautiful place I have ever been to in my entire life. Tim tells me the next place we're going to is going to be even better, which I can't even like comprehend that, because this honestly is a place that I want to stay forever. I don't want to leave. It's only our first day, the first few hours since being awake, and I am just, guys, I'm speechless. I want to like move here. I want to stay here forever. But we're going to go to the pool right now. So I have my on vacation cover up on, and Tim just got Benson in his bathing suit. Oh my gosh, this hair, whatever. Tim got Benson in his bathing suit, and we're gonna go ahead and hit up the pool. And then really cool about this resort is there's the pool, and then literally a couple steps down is the ocean, so you can go from the ocean to the pool to the pool to the ocean, and it's just, you guys will see you guys at the pool. So we just got out of the pool. Obviously this morning we went to the elephant sanctuary and it was the most amazing experience ever. Not to mention that everybody loves kids here, so like Benson had someone hold him like very often, which was so nice, and everyone is just happy people here, and it's just an awesome experience. Staying camera lens, fogging up. I wanted to jump on here and just let you guys know that we are just having the most amazing trip ever. I'm on my balcony right now, and yeah, we've just been hanging out at the pool when we got back. We're going to probably go get dinner. Last night we did room service in bed and it was just so much fun. And yeah, just having a blast. I will see you guys tomorrow. Walking around the city. There's tons of stuff to do here. If you guys come, I recommend not bringing a child, or if you do bring a toddler or baby, make sure you have a stroller, because Tim and I ended up having to buy one just because walking around is way too hard holding him the entire time. So here's the beach. Hey guys, so we had a really long day in Patong. Is that right, hun?
Patong Beach.
Patong Beach. We did a lot of shopping. We went to the mall and there was like a ton of things to do at the mall. Lots of different shopping. We ended up buying a stroller for Benson because he was exhausted and we didn't bring one. So, you just gotta do what you gotta do. What else did we do? We went to a really nice lunch. We shopped around in town and just looked at all the little shops, and I got a really pretty bracelet for my mom, and Tim picked out a really pretty bracelet for his mom. Benson got a little, actually let me show you guys. So this little elephant here is what Benson picked out. It has like little teddy bears on it and a little bow tie. It's really cute. And then I got myself a little souvenir elephant. This one's black. It's a lot smaller, but it has a little crystal. I don't know if you guys can tell in this light, but it has like a little crystal bow. It's really cute. So they had all their Christmas stuff out, and so we got our family ornaments. One for each family member, or not family member, but one for each family. So we haven't decided who gets what. I know this is going to our house because Benson picked this one out. He loved it. So this will be our little ornament for our family, and then we'll decide who gets what when we get home. So that's our shopping trip. Now we are gonna head out to just walk around and see what trouble we can get into. But seriously, I think we're just gonna go try to find some place to go have a beer or some wine or something. There's no place I'd rather be than here in Thailand. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow when we're on our way to the Phi Phi Islands. Bye.